Hello everybody, welcome to this video. I am Asmamaw-Assefa from your class 007 and squad 009. The reason that I come here is to express my happiness on the news that I'm selected from the most players of the last week, that's week 3. So I'm very happy to see that, and I want to say thanks ALX, also all my classmates, for your appreciation on that, for your support. So I want to say thank you for that. The next one is, I'm going to tell you something, the secrets, that's how this can be possible. So for this achievement I have three main points. The first one is interest of this VA program. I'm very interested for this. When I see the advertising or the promotion on Facebook, I simply click on it and see something on its description, and then immediately I go to the application and take the test, the entrance exam or the entrance test. And when I see that, when I see those questions, I simply expect this program is very important, and then I decided to go to attend the class. So the other thing that I love this program is the email response from ALX. They give any feedback immediately, so I was so impressed by this activity. And the second one is plan. Maybe my secret for this achievement is plan. I plan to learn this program, so for its accomplishment, what I have to fulfill is internet access. Before 3 weeks I didn't have internet in my home, and after I take the exam and hear the congratulation news from the ALX, I think I have scored 62. I don't know how they sum up all this different categories. And then I simply go to my telecom organization in Ethiopia and simply sign a contract for an internet, and then I go to read all the courses and do all the quizzes and the milestones. Maybe that is the secret or the reason why I selected for that. The third one is commitment. I'm committed to complete this course, and I'm going to read all the courses, and I try to score good grades in all quizzes and in all milestones. For example, in the last quizzes, most of the quizzes are 11 out of 11, 6 out of 6, 4 out of 4, and like that. And I try to achieve good grade on milestones. I think milestones are very basic for this graduation. So for example, for the last milestone 3, I plan to score 39 out of 39, but I can't score more than 35. I don't know the reason why. I read the course more than 2 times. I try to refer all the questions, but I can't score more than 35. But from here, what I want to tell you is my commitment on the courses. So I try to do best things. I try to do, I try to score good grades on all the activities. So the other one is do together and help my classmates. Every time I see the comments from my classmates, if there's something a problem, I try to help my classmates. I try to give a comment, and even I try to do a video if something is important and maybe it's impossible to express in comment. So I try to do that. So those are the main points that I think I am selected for this. Okay. Finally, I have an advice for you, and I want to see you on the next good players. All of my classmates, please come to the front and let me see you over there. So I want to advise you to do your quizzes, or your assignments, or your milestones with heart. I know most of you are workers. Of course, I am a worker, and I am trying to use my time properly, and most of the time I use my time overnight or at night. And you have to use your time properly, and it's better to help others to be a good player. And the other one is you have to submit your milestone before the deadline, if possible, before 2 days or before a day, but it's not mandatory. Try to do your milestone up to the end of the day or up to its deadline. Don't go back and simply do your milestone at a time. And the other one is be committed. I think this program is very important for us, and you'll see better things after your graduation. I hope many things after my graduation, okay? Because I get most very important things here in the course. So when you hope something after your graduation, you will be good on the activities, on your class follow-up, and other things. So I think there are good opportunities. For example, in this week, on week 4, there are very interesting courses on hotel booking, flight, there are many things on tourism. So most people are coming to Africa to visit most historical places, and we have many things in Africa. So try to do your best and hope something after your graduation. When you hope something, you'll be good on your activities. So the last one is love Africa and come unite. Okay, when you love Africa, Africa will give you its inexhaustible resource. Okay, do you know how much Africa is very resourceful? We have many things, but we didn't catch it still now. So you will be good, and you will be very fast in business after this graduation. I think that's what I'm hope after my graduation. Most tourists are coming into Ethiopia, and I will be a guide or a guide for this most people, for those tourists. Okay, so I wanted to tell you that you will be very good businessman after this graduation. Okay, I want to say thank you, all of you, my classmates. I'm happy to see you in this video, and we'll continue our support, or my support in our squad. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Let's go together and let's achieve best things. Bye bye.